The 2016 3500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.